Today is going to be my first time using the Dolphin Nautilus CC robot pool cleaner on my pool, which is a pretty small in-ground pool, fiberglass, and we're in the middle of winter. So I would love to have a robot clean this for me on a regular basis. I tried a smaller robot that was cordless and it did not work at all really in my pool. So I had to upgrade to this one. Fingers crossed. Okay. I am going to drop it in right here and watch it float down to the bottom like it's a little robot on the bottom of the ocean floor looking at Titanic. That's what this kind of reminds me of. I was hoping to get one that did not have a cord, but I'm hoping that this one works well for me. So I have plugged it in to this little control panel, which is also plugged into the wall. And I think all I have to do is hit the start button. Ooh, that's fancy. All right, so let's see what happens. Oh my gosh, it climbs all the way up the wall and literally comes out and cleans the top where the water touches the side. Oh, that's awesome. Now it goes back down. I mean, I feel like this is already exponentially better than the first one I tried, which shall not be named here in this video. But I will say this one was $700 on Amazon. So it was a substantial investment, but so is a pool. So there you go. Okay, just took it out. Let's see what all we got in here. Not much, because our pool doesn't really have a lot of leaves in it, but there are a lot of worms and just a lot of scummy stuff in here. So this is pretty easy to pull out. We'll empty this and put it back in.